Welcome back to the channel, Future Cars Updates, where we bring you the latest and most exciting developments from the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving into one of the most luxurious cars ever made, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II. Known for its unmatched elegance and craftsmanship, Rolls-Royce has outdone itself with this new generation of the Phantom, and we're here to break down all the details for you. Let's start with the exterior design, which is an evolution of the already iconic Rolls-Royce Phantom. The 2025 Series II stays true to the Phantom's luxurious and imposing presence on the road, but introduces a few refined updates. At the front, we have the signature Rolls-Royce grille, which has been slightly redesigned for a more modern yet timeless look. The grille is now a bit taller and sleeker, giving the car an even more regal appearance. The headlights are reworked, incorporating a more contemporary, sharp design while retaining the classic spirit of the brand. With precision laser-cut LED lights, the car's face gleams with sophistication and innovation. One of the most notable changes for this series is the integration of a new high-tech lighting system that creates a soft halo effect around the car's silhouette, adding a layer of mystique to its presence. Moving to the side profile, the Phantom Series II is still as elegant as ever, with long flowing lines that convey a sense of effortless grandeur. The 22-inch wheels are available in multiple finishes, including a new sleek two-tone design that enhances the car's luxurious appeal. As you might expect, Rolls-Royce continues to offer an almost endless list of bespoke options, allowing owners to customize nearly every element of the car, from the paint colors to the interior materials. The Phantom Series II can be tailored to match the tastes and desires of its discerning clientele. The interior, however, is where Rolls-Royce truly shines, and the Series II takes things up a notch. Stepping into the cabin feels like entering a sanctuary of craftsmanship. The seats are upholstered in the finest leather, and the wood veneers are hand-polished to perfection. There are new options for the upholstery, including a luxurious woven leather that adds an extra layer of texture and sophistication to the already opulent cabin. The signature starry headliner, which has become synonymous with Rolls-Royce, now includes more customizable lighting options, allowing owners to create their own personalized constellation above them. The rear seating has always been a major focal point in the Phantom, and Rolls-Royce has kept that tradition alive in the Series II. The rear seats can now be specified with new, fully adjustable reclining capabilities, perfect for those who want to indulge in ultimate comfort while being chauffeured. And for the first time, Rolls-Royce offers an option to install a high-tech entertainment system with a retractable screen that allows passengers to enjoy movies or music in complete privacy. Now, let's talk about the performance of this majestic vehicle. Under the hood of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II lies the famous 6.75-liter V12 twin turbocharged engine, which delivers a staggering 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. This engine continues to be the epitome of smooth, effortless power, providing a driving experience that is as serene as it is powerful. Despite its size and weight, the Phantom Series II glides down the road with exceptional grace, offering a ride that is incredibly quiet and smooth, something that Rolls-Royce is known for. The suspension system has also been refined, offering even more comfort, absorbing road imperfections with ease. With the car's air suspension and noise-canceling technology, the ride quality feels like floating on air. This makes the Phantom Series II perfect for those long journeys, whether you're in the front seat or lounging in the back. Another upgrade worth mentioning is the addition of cutting-edge technology. The Series II now includes an advanced digital display system, which seamlessly integrates with the car's traditional analog controls. The 2025 Phantom Series II features a 12-inch digital screen that provides real-time information, navigation, and entertainment options, while maintaining the brand's signature classic design elements. For the first time, Rolls-Royce has also included advanced driver assistance features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a 360-degree camera system. Safety is always a priority in a Rolls-Royce, and the Phantom Series II is no exception. With a focus on both active and passive safety, the car is equipped with state-of-the-art systems designed to protect passengers in any scenario. These include advanced collision warning systems, automatic emergency braking, and an enhanced airbag system. As expected, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II comes with a price tag to match its prestige, with prices starting well above $500,000. However, considering the level of craftsmanship, luxury, and performance on offer, it's no surprise that this car remains one of the most coveted vehicles on the planet. So that's a brief overview of the 2025 Rolls-Royce Phantom Series II, a true masterpiece of engineering and design. What do you think about the latest updates to this iconic luxury sedan? Is this a car you'd love to own? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more exciting updates from the world of luxury cars. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.